Michelle, we're back. So again, I'm just going to reiterate, we're not going to do any more tug. That really does set them up for failure. And I think that's part of the reason she gets nervous in new environments, because she doesn't know whether she's going to be expected to face challenges from people coming into, her environment. And she really doesn't want that. So I want you to start working her off leash. Just, maybe do it around in the driveway or something. And then get everybody else to help you. When people profess that they love a dog, but they don't want to do what's best for it, to me, that's not love. So the best thing is going to be everybody, you doing the remote, and everybody, just doing little short sessions a couple times a week with the healing and the downing. Get the best possible treats, and we've got to stop feeding her from your plate. And I'm basing that on the fact that as soon as I was starting to eat something, she was right there, staring and whining and begging. Good, good. Only want to have the treats in this context for the obedience. Good. Oh, she's my good girl. Good. All right, so I'm going to start my pager slightly before. I want you to really start working her off the leash, though, girl, and just, we need to up the level of control that you have to make up for all the tug of war and all this stuff. And for everybody at home, you guys know, Michelle didn't see the video about don't tug, tussle, and wrestle, that ruins them. But if you do that, you're setting up a dynamic where the dynamic is you're vying for hierarchy over each other. So you definitely do not want that. All right, so start my pager. All right. Right away, we want to build up that attention. Hands are coming back here. Start my pager slightly before. And I don't think you guys have another dog, but you could even maybe just do outside the dog park or something where there are some other distractions like these little guys. You see, she's not paying any attention to me. Little Kristen. Here, Kristen, he follows me everywhere. Same thing. Start my pager slightly before. Oh, goodness. Just so you guys know, Michelle's trained this dog all by herself, other than Kelly. Good, good. Using the ebook other than like a week last winter when we had her here. So you really did do a good job, girl. You need to just sort of keep increasing your level of control. Good, good. Get rid of the rope, get rid of any toys that were, used in that context. One more time, so I'm going to square up my hands here, because what we want her doing is looking at you. So I've got my hand here, eyes here. Good. Kelly, good. She goes slow. speed up a little bit and do your pager. Good. Oh, she's a sensitive little soul. Yeah. All right, girl. More updates soon. Keep me posted.